How to use Apple Pay on Temu. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Apple Pay on Temu. Begin by opening your Temu account in your web browser. Once logged in, browse and select the product you wish to purchase using Apple Pay. After choosing your desired product, select the color and size options if applicable. Then click on Add to Cart. Once the item is added to your cart, proceed by clicking on Go to Cart. In your cart, click on Checkout. You'll be prompted to enter your shipping address for delivery. Next, when selecting your payment method, choose Apple Pay. This option should be available among the payment methods provided. After selecting Apple Pay, you'll be asked to confirm your payment details. Fill in any necessary information and then click on Continue to Payment to finalize your purchase using Apple Pay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.